Hi everybody, artificial intelligence and GPT language models. Lot of demand, lot of curiosity is getting created in the market these days. Yes. Now lot of people have this question on these language models, GPT. Will there be any job or career in future? Yes, there will be lot of careers which will be depending on these GPT language models. One such career is prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is a very high demand career that a student or a fresher must definitely consider this. In this video, I will explain you what is prompt engineering, what exactly a prompt engineer do, how to become a prompt engineer, what are the skills that are required to become a prompt engineer, what education background candidates should become a prompt engineer, and if there are any certifications, student and fresher, what they should keep in mind before becoming a prompt engineer, and how to apply for jobs, what is the salary that is given to a prompt engineer fresher in India right now. All these things you will be learning in this video. So overall, you will be learning the complete career path or roadmap for becoming a prompt engineer. Let us first understand what exactly this word prompt means. Prompt in English dictionary means immediate, immediately. In technology, it means something that is giving you immediate response, immediate reply. So that kind of thing is called as prompt. In simple words, practically, if you have already used GPT, Chat GPT, then we ask some questions to the Chat GPT program, right? We write our questions in the Chat GPT. For example, what is prompt engineering, or how to become a AI engineer, machine learning engineer, these kind of questions you can put to Chat GPT. You are writing the questions in a text format. The text format question is called as prompt. So prompt engineers work on language models like GPT, right now GPT 3.5. So they work on language models and they make sure the language models or the applications or the softwares are giving accurate information to the user, accurate information which is human-like text. I mean to say, it is not a chatbot kind of answer, predefined answer, no. The language model software application should give a human-like conversational text as an immediate reply. So on this part, prompt engineers work. Now, you might also think, who can become a prompt engineer? Because this is a very evolving career. Not now, it is already in the market now, but next 2 or 3 years, prompt engineering career will be in full demand in the market. So freshers or students who are still in college, they should focus on building skills that are related to this prompt engineer. Big question. What are the skills that are required for becoming this prompt engineer? First thing, very important, you have to learn Python. First thing, because programming language is important in this, in working on different language models. The second skill that you need is NLP, natural language processing, because all these language models, they work on NLP. So the candidate should also have some good knowledge, or he or she should know the principles of NLP also. Apart from Python and NLP, the candidate, they should also learn about machine learning, data analysis, because they will be reading lot of data. They will be working on machine learning concepts. So machine learning and data analysis is also required. Not only these, but creative problem solving. Candidates who want to take this career, prompt engineering, they should also think to solve any problem creatively, because Chat GPT or language models are definitely answering the solutions to the user, right? So the prompt engineer, they should also have very creative problem solving skill. Not only these, but the candidate should also have very good communication skills. Communication means while communicating with their team members or their superiors, seniors, definitely they have to communicate effectively, right? So technical skills are definitely there. Apart from technical skills, the candidate should also have very good soft skills like communication skills also. So these are the skills that are required for a candidate who want to start their career in prompt engineering. Now, after skills, what are the next thing that a student can do or a fresher can do? I would say they should start working on their own project. A very simple chatbot you can create. You can put all your skills in creating that chatbot, and you can showcase this chatbot, a very simple one, small project I can say. You can put this chatbot, your own project information in your resume, and then you see your resume will get weightage. People or companies will start giving preference to your resume. Apart from our own project, you can also work on internship programs. If you are in your second year of graduation, BTech or graduation, BCA, anything like that, you can also start applying for internship. I would say a candidate in their 3 or 4 years of graduation, at least they should do 2 or 3 internship programs. So search for companies which are working on artificial intelligence, which are working on NLPs, or companies which are already working on GPT kind of language models. You can search for that kind of companies and apply for internship programs. In your graduation, try to do 2 or 3 internship programs. Let me know if you have already done any internship program. Comment me a yes, I have done an internship program. You can also deny that I have not done any internship program. Now, internship details also if you put in your resume, won't you think that your resume will get more preference by the HR or by the companies? Definitely yes, because they will see you. You will stand out from the crowd. They will see you as their first preference. So working on internship programs will also add weightage to your profile. Lot of people have this question, madam, should we do certification programs also? Like every career, every skill have their own certifications, right? Yes, there are many free courses also available, and there are many certifications also available. I will first tell you about certifications. There are companies like Coursera, Udacity, which are providing certification. Apart from these, there are few companies, there are few certifications like Google AI ML certification that you should consider doing. There is Microsoft Azure AI Engineer Associate certification you should think of considering. There is also Udacity's Natural Language Processing Nano Degree, and there is also Coursera's Deep Learning Specialization. So these certifications, if you do and if you pass, if you get the certificates, then you can put that certificates also in your resume, in your LinkedIn profile also. That will definitely help you to gain more weightage and stand out from the crowd. So these are the certifications. Lot of people think, madam, how can I learn these skills? Like whatever you have told, prompt engineering skills, how can we learn all these things? There are many companies which are providing free course for prompt engineering. For example, Coursera, Udacity, and there are EX and Khan Academy. Khan Academy also you can search for prompt engineering courses. Apart from this, the GPT company OpenAI, that company is also providing a 1-hour free course on prompt engineering. I will put the link of that free course in the description of this video so that you can check that video for your reference for learning what exactly prompt engineering is. And also comment me if you are going to see that video, yes or no. Yes, I am going to follow that video. I am going to attend that video, learn that thing. You can comment in the comment section of this video. So that is about how you can learn prompt engineering also for free. When it comes to job searching, yes, there are many job portals like Naukri is there, LinkedIn Jobs is there, and Indeed is also there. You can create a very good resume, upload your resume in these job portals and start searching for prompt engineer in the job portal. Also mention your desired city like Hyderabad or Pune or Bangalore, Chennai, whatever city you belong to or you prefer to. Select the city and click the search button. You see all the prompt engineering job roles in front of you. You can also use the filters if you want to apply for the fresher job roles. Use the filters. You will see all the prompt engineering jobs that are specified for fresher candidates. Apply for those job roles, and I always say this, apply for 100 companies, definitely 1 or 2 or more than 2 companies will reply to you with a positive response. Now, this was how to use the job portals. Lot of people have this question, madam, what is the salary that a prompt engineer will get? Now, salary definitely depends how you are getting hired. If you are getting hired through campus placement, your salaries will be always high. How much high for a prompt engineer? Your salary will be more than 6 lakhs per annum package if you are getting selected from campus placement. If you did not get or you did not attend any campus placement drives, and if you are searching for off campus, I mean to say separately, you are applying to company careers page, you are checking the job portals and things like that. If you got hired from a off campus placement thing, then your salary might start from 3.5 lakhs per annum in India. These two salaries I have explained you in Indian market. So that is the salary that I have explained you. What is the education background for becoming a prompt engineer? I would say, because this is a very new type of career, companies are giving first preference to computer science background students only, like BTech computers or BCA or BSc computers. Anybody who has done a computer science background. Data science candidates are also eligible. Cyber security candidates are also eligible. People who have done their graduation in computer science or related kind of subjects, they are eligible for this kind of jobs. Then what about the non-computer science graduates? People like BTech mechanical, civil, triple E or BSc BSc normal maths, chemistry and science students. What about these people? BCom students, BA students. Right now, I won't say that you do not have opportunity. Computer science candidates have more opportunity right now, but down the lane, after 2 years or after 3 years, when prompt engineering will become very common career, at that time companies might also give preference to the non-computer science graduates who are exceptionally deserving. Exceptionally deserving, I mean to say people who are very smart, people who can catch any topic and they can work on the task given to them, people who are very intelligent, smart and deserving candidates kind of thing. Those kind of non-computer background students will also have chances in prompt engineering, maybe in the near future. So that was all about prompt engineering. I have explained you. If you understood the topic, comment me, yes madam, I understood the topic. And if you have any questions, you can definitely put in the comment section of this video. If you like this video, please click the like button. Share this video with your friends and your college mates on WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, any other social medias as well. My name is Sushmita Madhu and I'm a IT Training Institute owner. My training institute name is Career 9. It is located in Hyderabad. Now, if you're watching this video for the first time, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon. Every day I'm creating career guidance videos for you people. So yes, my videos might help you in choosing the right career, understanding about the career and things like that. So I wish you all the best for a very bright future, and thank you so much. Namaste.